Stella, I want to see the bird. Stella, look. Stella, you want to see the bird?
Boy, she's got her feathers way out there.
You like the bird?
Not too close, not too close. I'm not.
Stella, like the bird?
The ants.
What is it, Stella?
What is that, Stella? No, not too close. Back it away from me.
I want to put it up to her.
You don't want to get bit.
I don't want it up to her.
Quit, Paige. Paige, quit.
I want it up to her tail.
I want it up here.
It's so bad. Look at her. Paige, what did we just say?
If I get bit.
She doesn't want to.
What did you say, Stella?
Oh, she's really puffed out there.
She hates that thing.
Back it away a little bit, please.
Dang!
Yeah, it's okay, Stella. It's a pretty girl.